Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You've enabled screen recording in Control Center, and you're ready to begin. First, open the screen you want to capture, then swipe to open Control Center. Press and hold the record icon to choose microphone on if you want narration, or leave it off for internal audio only. Once done, tap Start Recording and watch the 3-second countdown. Make sure Do Not Disturb is active to prevent notifications, and reposition the screen so the content is framed how you want it captured. Now that recording is underway, maintain a steady orientation, landscape for 16:9 video, portrait for social clips, because rotation later can add work. If you enabled the microphone, monitor your voice level by listening with headphones, speak clearly at a consistent distance, about 6 to 12 inches from the microphone, to reduce boom and clipping. Make sure animations and pop-ups are minimized. When finished, tap the red status bar at the top or open Control Center and press Stop Recording to finalize the file info. After stopping, your recording saves to photos where you can trim the start and end points immediately. For finer edits, open iMovie to cut, add captions, or change resolution. If you expected audio but hear none, make sure microphone access is enabled in Settings Privacy Microphone and that the app isn't muted. If the recording didn't save or failed, confirm you have sufficient free storage and restart the iPhone. Once done, repeat the quick test recording to verify everything works.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.